Welcome guys, today I got my ALCATEL Pixel 3. It's stuck in a loop. After I turn it on, it's stuck to the booting screen, as you can see. And it's stuck right there, it doesn't move from there. So what I'm going to do is actually flash it. I'm going to reprogram it. So here you got to go over to your ALCATEL website to get this software. And after you download it, you're going to locate your download right here. You just want to just set it up and it will be on your desktop right here. I'm just going to run it. And there is mine. I actually locate mine right here, so you're gonna scroll down and find it. After you find it, you're gonna just proceed. Always make sure you got your battery at like 50% or so. I'm gonna proceed. Yeah, so I removed the battery, and after I remove the battery, I'm just gonna connect it to the phone. So here you go. Just want to connect it. It detects. And proceed. So it's gonna download your package. It's gonna download the firmware and do its thing. It's gonna take probably 20 minutes or so, so give it some time to finish up, and I'll get back to you guys after it's finished. So I'm just gonna pause the video and get. Okay, welcome back guys. As you can see, we are finished right here. You're gonna press no and click that off. Yeah, move to your phone. We're gonna just let it boot up. And guys, if this doesn't boot up, all you gotta do is just power your phone on. As you can see right here, it doesn't boot up, so you're gonna power it on. And you're gonna wait for it. This is gonna take probably about 10 minutes to boot up, so all you gotta do is just wait for it. I'm just gonna pause the video and get back to you guys. So here we are back, and you're gonna press start, or you're just gonna skip it, which I will skip it. There you go, skip it. Get started. And that's it, you're done. There you go. You're done.